Did you just get a knee replacement? If so, you need to do this one exercise the day that you get home. So that with this exercise, you can do this very easily in bed or laying on a couch. So this is the operated leg. You're gonna put a pillow or a towel roll underneath your ankle, okay? We're never gonna put anything behind our knee after a knee replacement surgery. You want and you have to get full extension back after that surgery, or you will have many different complications. So with this, what you're gonna do, prop it up underneath the ankle, squeeze that quad muscle, tighten up that muscle as much as you can, squeeze, hold, count to 10, and then relax. Repeat that 10 to 20 times, and you wanna do this every single hour. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please follow this channel for more post-surgery PT content.